In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see NSE stocks and index futures charts on Tradingview. If you're someone who actively trades or analyzes the market, knowing how to access and navigate futures charts is essential. Futures contracts are time-sensitive instruments that allow you to speculate on or hedge against the future price of an asset. Whether you're tracking the Nifty Bank Index or individual stock futures, Tradingview is an excellent platform for charting and analysis. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step to locate and customize these charts so you can make informed trading decisions. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, open Tradingview on your device. This could be on your browser or through the Tradingview app, depending on your preference. Once you have it open, let's locate the symbol search bar. You'll find this at the very top of the screen, just above the main chart area. It's where you can search for specific instruments like stocks, indices, or futures. Go ahead and click on the symbol search bar. This action will open up a search window and you'll notice several tabs or categories displayed at the top of this window. These categories include options like all stocks, futures, crypto, and forex. These tabs help you filter your search results and narrow them down to the type of instrument you're looking for. Since we're focusing on futures, click on the Futures tab. This will ensure that your search results are limited to futures contracts only. By doing this, you avoid a mix of unrelated results such as stocks, indices, or cryptocurrencies, which can make your search unnecessarily confusing. Now, in the search bar, type banknifty. This is the abbreviation for the Nifty Bank Index futures. Once you've typed that in, you'll see a list of Bank Nifty futures contracts appear. Look carefully at the list, and you'll notice a small drop-down arrow next to each listed contract. Click on this arrow to expand the options. When you do, you'll see a list of available expiry dates for the Bank Nifty futures. These dates might include monthly, weekly, or even quarterly expiries. Take a moment to review these options and select the expiry date that matches your trading strategy or the one you're currently analyzing. Remember, futures are time-limited contracts, so choosing the correct expiry is crucial for accurate analysis. Now, let's say you're interested in looking at a specific stock future, such as HDFC. To do this, return to the symbol search bar at the top of the screen. Make sure you're still in the Futures tab so that your search results are limited to futures contracts. Type the name of the stock, in this case HDFC, into the search bar. Just like before, you'll see a list of HDFC futures contracts appear. Once again, locate the small drop-down arrow next to the listed HDFC future symbol and click on it. This will bring up a list of available expiry dates for HDFC futures. Take a moment to review these expiry options and select the date that aligns with your strategy or the specific contract you're tracking. Once you've made your selection, wait for the chart to load. The platform will display the real-time data for the selected future contract, giving you access to all the analytical tools and indicators you need to evaluate the market. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily find and analyze NSE stocks and index futures charts on Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.